Hey there, guys. Chet here. Artificial intelligence is completely changing the way modern sales teams operate on a daily basis. Instead of spending hours reading old messages and guessing who to call next, you can now let smart software do all of the heavy lifting for you. Pipedrive has recently introduced a powerful suite of new artificial intelligence features that can act like a personal assistant for your entire sales department. These specific tools are incredibly useful if you manage a team of other people. They help you quickly analyze huge amounts of data without getting lost in the minor details. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these new tools to close more deals faster. Now, you will need a Pipedrive account to follow along. If you have not done that yet, you can set one up with a special link that's down in the description. If you click that link, you get a 30-day free trial with all of the features unlocked instead of the standard 14 days. And if you decide to keep using it after the trial, the discount will be applied automatically when you sign up through my link, which means you'll be using that same powerful Pipedrive as everyone else, but you'll be paying less than what they pay. By the way, if you want to master this tool completely, we've also put together a full Pipedrive course from A to Z. It's going to walk you through everything step by step. That is also down in the description, totally free. Now, before we dive into the actual tools, there is one important detail you need to understand. These advanced artificial intelligence features are currently only available on the premium plan. If you're currently using the light or growth tiers, you will definitely need to upgrade your account to unlock this brand new functionality. It is also worth noting that artificial intelligence technology moves incredibly fast. These specific features are currently in a beta testing phase. This means the developers are constantly updating and refining the tools to provide even better results for your business. The interface might look slightly different depending on when you watch this tutorial, but the core concepts should remain and will remain exactly the same. Now, the first major feature you need to explore is the smart recommendation engine inside of your sales assistant. You can access this by looking for the small light bulb icon at the very top of your main dashboard screen. When you click that icon, your sales assistant panel will slide open on the right side. You're probably used to seeing basic notifications here anyway about opened emails or upcoming tasks. Now you will notice a brand new section dedicated to your next best action. This specific tool is absolutely a game changer for busy sales reps. Every single day, the artificial intelligence scans all of your active pipelines, looks deeply at the specific characteristics of the clients you usually win. It then finds the open deals in your current workspace that share those exact same winning traits. I know this sounds too good to be true. And it will give you a direct recommendation on who you should contact today to make the most money. It might even tell you that you have a high chance of advancing a specific deal and then suggest that you schedule a quick phone call. It shows you the current deal value, the expected close date, and opportunity meter that ranks the overall quality of the lead. This completely removes any of the guesswork from your daily routine. You must log in, check your smart recommendations, and start selling to your hottest leads immediately. Now, you can click directly on the recommendation to open the deal and take immediate action. The next powerful feature is the artificial intelligence deal summary. As your business grows, which we're hoping that's what happens, you'll eventually transition from making all of the individual sales yourself to managing a team of other reps. When you oversee a large team, you simply do not have all of the extra time to read through every single note on every single deal. Pipedrive solves this massive problem with a simple summarize button located right inside the individual deal profile. When you open a specific deal, you can click this button instantly to generate a complete text breakdown of the current situation. The software will clearly tell you if the deal is open or stalled. It will also highlight incredibly important historical data that you might have missed. For example, it will tell you if your company has successfully won deals with this exact same person in the past. Past success is always the best absolute indicator of future sales. The summary will also tell you exactly how many days have passed since your last meaningful interaction. If a high-value prospect has been completely ignored for 5 days, you can immediately tell your sales rep to send a follow-up message. These quick summaries allow a sales manager to review dozens of active pipelines in just a few minutes without losing their mind. It is a massive drain on your valuable time to read long email chains. We all do it. Sometimes a single prospect will reply to an email thread 15 times over the course of a single month. If a new sales rep takes over that specific account, they're going to have to waste an entire hour just reading the email history to understand the context. Pipedrive now offers an artificial intelligence email summary tool directly inside your communications tab to fix this issue. When you open a connected email thread, you can click a button to let the software read the entire conversation for you. It will provide a short paragraph explaining exactly what the client is asking for, such as inquiring about a discount or a pricing plan. It goes far beyond just summarizing the plain text. The system actually analyzes the tone of the conversation and tells you the general sentiment of the buyer. It might tell you the conversation is polite and highly transactional. It also provides a readiness to buy score on a clear scale from 1 to 10. If the software gives a lead a score of 7 or 8, you know they're incredibly close to signing a final contract. Finally, the tool gives you a list of concrete action items. It will tell you exactly what specific information you need to send back to the client to keep that negotiation moving forward. The final feature you should test is the artificial intelligence email writer. You can find this tool inside the email tab of any active deal. You will see a new option labeled Write My Email located next to your standard text templates. When you click this option, a prompt window will appear on your screen. You can type in a basic description of exactly what you want to say. You might tell the software to write a message asking the prospect to book a discovery call and include your calendar link. You can then select the specific tone of the email from a drop down menu. You can choose friendly, formal, or highly persuasive as your style. You can also specify the exact length of the message to keep things brief. Once you hit the generate button, the software will write a complete email for you in a matter of seconds. It will even leave little placeholder tags where you need to maybe manually insert a calendar link or a custom pricing quote. You can easily copy this generated text directly into your main message box. You can also ask the system to rewrite the text if you do not love the first version. This will happen from time to time. While this drafting tool is very impressive, many experienced sales professionals still prefer to use their own manual templates. Manual templates are often much faster to use if you already know exactly what language works for your specific audience. You just click your standard template and hit send without waiting for a prompt to load. However, this artificial intelligence drafting tool is absolutely fantastic for brainstorming new ideas. You can also use it to experiment with fresh language and different emotional tones. Once the software writes a highly effective message that gets a great response from a client, you can save that exact text as a permanent manual template. This allows your entire team to use the optimized language for all of their future outreach. The integration of smart technology into customer relationship management is only going to get better over time. It is incredibly exciting to think about what these software developers will think of and build next. In the near future, we might see artificial intelligence completely analyze our main insight reports. It could potentially look at all of your closed deals and tell you exactly the number of phone calls required to win a high value contract. It might even suggest changes to your overall sales strategy based on marketing trends. But until those features arrive, these current tools are more than enough to give your sales team a massive operational advantage over your direct competitors. If you want to get started with Pipedrive, don't forget to click that link down below in the description to grab that 30-day extended free trial. It's the only way to get a full month for free instead of the standard 14 days. And if you want to be a true Pipedrive expert, make sure to grab our free A to Z Pipedrive course while you're down there. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.